Ready to check the power steering fluid in my Ford Explorer behind me. So this video will cover an 06 to 2010 Ford Explorer. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. So your power steering reservoir is located on the front of the vehicle on the driver's side. So you don't even have to open the cover to check the fluid level. You'll see on the side there's a minimum and a maximum indicator, and you can kind of see right through it. The housing's made out of plastic and it's translucent, so you can see right through it. And we're up to here on the fluid level, so it's almost at the maximum mark. So if you had to top this off, if it was like down below the minimum level, all you would do is unscrew the cap, take the cap off. If you got a final little be less spill, less mess. Then get yourself, some power steering fluid and just pour it in until you see the level come up, to the maximum mark. And then that's all you would need. And then when you're done, just put the cover back on and you're good. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.